In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mpr.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of the system type and then open any browser on your Windows. Search for the missing DLL and just put download, hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, it will appear from here. Click on the folder icon. Then right click at the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. And go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Locate the System32 folder. Here it is. Then right click and then select paste. So once done, close all the windows and right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method or the second step is to open a browser again and search for Visual C++ or distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you'll find a download link corresponding to your system type. So click on that. Wait for this to be downloaded from here. Once downloaded, double click and simply check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. Simply install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11 because that comes with the necessary files that can help you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.